And I really thank you so much, Sauza. And I definitely appreciate the way you are conducting this, great service to humanity along with your family. Please accept my kind regards. So suddenly he asked a couple of questions, and he was talking to me in such a way that he मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 45 minutes वो बात चली, and उसके अंदर से मेरा ये समझ में आया कि he is talking something very significant, and I was not able to absorb it the way which I wish I could. But then one point which I remember, which is very, very significant, is that if you're looking for a niche, please remember to connect yourself with the brand and niche. That means whatever is your niche, that is your brand. So it was quite difficult for me to get to that point. But then slowly I recognized, okay, come on. That means whatever the niche I choose, whatever the specific topic, whatever the specific area, according to my experience and knowledge, whatever I've gone through, that is the brand. So you definitely don't have to worry about a brand as it is. Brand is a process of discovering what you are and how you can contribute value to the marketplace. That's amazing. And I really thank you so much, Sauza. And I definitely appreciate the way you are conducting this, great service to humanity along with your family. Please accept my kind regards.